If you're a freelancer, online seller, or service provider in India looking to receive international payments, here's a simple and legit way to get started with Payoneer. First, you have to get your documents ready. Before signing up, make sure you have a valid government-issued ID, whether it be Aadhaar, passport, and etc. An Indian bank account in your name with IFSC plus account number. Then proof of address matching the ID you'll upload. Step 2. Visit the official Payoneer website. Head over to payoneer.com. Click on Sign Up or Get Started to begin your application. Step 3. Select account type. Choose the right type. Select individual if you're a freelancer or sole owner. Choose your purpose like receive payments from clients or platforms. Step 4. Enter your personal info. Fill in your details exactly as shown in your ID, like the full name, date of birth, and address. Then your valid email address and phone number for account verification. Step 5. Set up account security. Create a strong password and pick a security question and answer for added protection. Step 6. Link your Indian bank account. Enter your bank's info carefully, account number and IFSC code, and make sure the name matches the one on your ID. Step 7. Upload verification documents. Submit clear images or scans of your government ID and address proof in JPG, PNG, or PDF format. Make sure they're valid, not blurry, and not expired. Step 8. Submit and wait for approval. Once done, submit your application. Payoneer usually reviews it within 3 to 5 business days. You'll receive an email once approved or if more info is needed. Then finally, Step 9. Start using your account. After approval, you can receive global payments, withdraw funds to your local bank, and an optional choice, order a Payoneer MasterCard. Important reminders: double check that everything is accurate and honest. Payoneer follows RBI guidelines for cross-border transfers. You're responsible for following Payoneer's official terms. Legal and YouTube disclaimer: this video follows YouTube's terms of service, shares only factual and official info, and doesn't encourage any legal actions. This content is meant for legit educational purposes, respects Payoneer's rules, and is in full compliance with financial laws in India. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.